Hey guys, it's me Anjali and welcome to Anjali Reads. So I'm back with a long format video because this book deserves one. So Ayn Rand began writing The Fountainhead in 1935, spent 7 years but faced multiple rejection from the publishers, the reason being too radical. It gained popularity in World War II and also made into a Hollywood film in 1949. Sets in a world of architecture, a man named Howard Rourke chooses to follow his own ideals rather than primitive standards. He is fiercely independent, challenges the pillars of society and society itself. His path doesn't waver and he stays true to himself while others around him rise by adopting, manipulating, or compromising. The reasons you should read this novel because the core of the novel is its defense of individualism over collectivism. The idea that true creation and progress comes from those who think independently, act on personal conviction, and refuse to be shaped by popular opinion. Through its characters, the book depicts what happens when one stands alone facing the society while others seek comfort in conformity. If we talk about powerful characters, there are many, each depicting some societal ideas. But let's talk about the four protagonists. Howard Rourke, a creator but believes in individualism and integrity. Dominic Franken, an idealist but believes in passionate integrity. Peter Keating, a second-hander, believes in collectivism and is a approval seeker. Gail Wynand, he represents a tragedy of a man who tries to bridge between integrity and compromise but loses. Last but not the least, Ellsworth Toohey. He is a manipulator, he believes in collectivism and also uses altruism as his weapon. Objectivism is a philosophy developed by Ayn Rand. In this book, Rourke thinks independently. He works just out of the pure enjoyment of creating and refuses to exist for others. She redefined success and morality. Success is not measured by fame or money acquired by someone, but creating something valuable. Success earned through surrender is not success at all. On the other hand, morality is to act with integrity, purpose, and reason, not for pity or praise, but because it's right by your own standard. For instance, Rourke doesn't seek to be good in the eyes of the others, he just stayed true to his own values. Everything about this book is so amazing, except for one instance where Rourke forces himself on Dominic. It doesn't align with the contemporary standard of consent. However, Ayn Rand once stated that it was not RAPE, it was a RAPE by engraved invitation, like she wanted him but she couldn't admit. I still cannot swallow it down. It's very, very, very disturbing. But I love this book so much because it resonates with what I feel, the everyday struggle to stay true to my own ideologies, facing the society alone because I have not chosen the herd of sheep. There is this quote that I really love. To say I love you, one must first know how to say the I. So I would like to rate it 4.5 on 5. So bye guys, meet in my next video.